Hi and welcome. I'm Pierre, the Nordic Shaman. I hate to say this, but probably 5 minutes won't be enough. It won't be enough to heal your deepest wounds. It won't be enough to change what have been for years. But 5 minutes a day can make a very, very big difference. A lot of us actually know this. I don't have to tell you. But if you have 5 minutes for yourself every single day, maybe just for a week, for a start, maybe for a month, you can really get something healed. And of course, there are a lot of ways to spend these 5 minutes every day. You can use them to ground yourself. You can use it to get connected to your heart. You can use it to connect to your guides, the angels. And you can use it to just feel yourself. Be aware. Don't expect anything, but have your eyes opened, have your mind opened. Try to let go of all your thoughts. There are really a lot of ways to use these 5 minutes. If you want to challenge yourself 5 minutes every day for a week, for a month, but you need help to stay focused, I have actually made a meditation. And that's a bonus minute. The meditation is 6 minutes. It's called Your Daily Spark, and you can find the link in the description. Thank you so much.